Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can write product descriptions with the help of ChatGPT. Um, uh, Product descriptions, basically if we have a dropshipping business or a e-commerce online shop and we need to write product descriptions that are selling, eye-catching, so we can use ChatGPT to do it because it can take, sometimes it can take a lot of time to write product descriptions, mainly if we have a lot of products. So with the help of ChatGPT, we can do it really fast. And it's mainly used for e-commerce, but not only. You can do it like for other, um, um, not like physical services, physical products, and also not just products and services like online services. So let's see how can we do it. I just picked like a random product from AliExpress. This is like a diffuser, right? Like smell diffuser. And I will write to ChatGPT, write me a selling eye-catching product title, let's fix it, for this product. Okay, so you write us the title. I think it's too long. Transfer your home into a relaxing oasis with our diffuser and humidifier. Experience the soothing benefits of essential oils and cool mist today. So this is a bit too long. So we ask him, write me more examples, make them um, shorter and more selling. Okay, so you have us a few options. I think that it really like describes the product. And I think we can handle it. Let's because as you can see now, it tells us like breathe easier and relax better with our products. But I want it like to be in the product description, not in the title. The title should basically like put the product itself. Um, write the title shorter, um, showing mainly the product without description. Right. So this is better, and this is what I wanted. So electric air aroma diffuser, humidifier, 130 mil wood ultrasonic aroma diffuser and humidifier. Right, so this is like better options. This is what I wanted, and now we can go to the product description. So we can tell them based, and let's take the first based on the first title. Um, write me a professional e-commerce product description. Make it words 120 words long. Make it selling. Show benefits of the product. Right? Just a simple explanation to ChatGPT, so you can write us the product. All right, so we can see, and I really suggest to I really like advise you to give him the specific number of words, because I think it's also important, like in product descriptions, to know how much words we need to be optimized for SEO and stuff like that. So just make sure you write them. So transfer your home into a shooting century with our 130 mil wood ultrasonic aroma diffuser and humidifier. The essential oil diffuser not only elevates your home ambience but also provides numerous health benefits. And it goes on. It goes on. Just give us a nice selling, eye-catching product description, and we can really play with it. We can tell them like do it in a funny tone. Make it in a tone that will sell more to young people, to old people, make it more luxury looking. Okay, you can really play with it. Like for example, we can tell them rewrite it in a luxury um, style and tone, like it's a product for rich people. Just if you want to sell it like for in a higher price, So it just changes a bit words. We say luxurious and crafted with finest materials, state of the art technology. As you can see, it really changes the word, make it more luxury. Um, and it's really nice. We can play with it with a lot of options. So you just choose your tone, your style, and make it your own. Yeah, that's it.